Hey traders, welcome back to another analysis video. In today's breakdown, we're going to look at DBR/USDT. And as always, I'll be showing you what the chart is telling us, whether buyers are still in control or if sellers are preparing to take over. So make sure you stick around to the end because I'll also share two possible scenarios and what we'll be waiting for next. So right now, as we can see on the DBR/USDT chart, the overall market structure is clearly in an uptrend direction. If you observe carefully, the price has been forming a clean series of higher lows and higher highs, which confirms that the buyers are still in control of the overall trend. Now, let's take our trend line and connect these major lows. As you can see, this trend line has been respected multiple times. Price came, tapped it, and pushed up strongly each time. That simply means this level is acting as a strong support zone for the market. So what are we waiting for next? There are two possible scenarios here. Scenario one, if the price pulls back to retest this trend line again, and we see a bullish candlestick confirmation, like a bullish engulfing or a pin bar, that will tell us buyers are defending the level. From there, we can look for a buy entry around 0.035 to 0.036, targeting the next zone at the top. This setup aligns perfectly with the direction of the main trend, which makes it a high probability trade. Scenario 2, but if the price fails to respect the trend line and instead breaks below it, that's our sign that sellers are taking control. In that case, we don't rush in immediately. We'll wait for a retest around 0.036 or 0.037, and if we get a clear bearish candlestick confirmation, we can then look for a sell opportunity from that zone down to the next support level. So in summary, the overall structure of DBR/USDT is still bullish as long as price stays above the trend line. If the market comes to retest that trend line and we see a bullish reaction, we'll look to buy from that zone upward. But if the trend line breaks, we'll switch our bias, wait for a retest, and then sell from there to down. So that's it for today's analysis on DBR/USDT, a clean and simple uptrend structure with two possible outcomes. Always remember, don't predict, just react. Let the market show you what it wants to do first before taking action. Now my question for you is, do you think buyers will continue to hold this trend line, or will sellers finally break below it? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's see who gets it right before the next move plays out. And don't forget, if you find this analysis helpful, make sure you follow for more daily breakdowns like this one. See you in the next video.